In this video, I'll detail how to install Water Eject on iPhone. So if your iPhone stands a chance to fall into the water or find yourself under the rain, with Water Eject on your iPhone, you can eject water from your iPhone speaker and make it free from malfunctioning. So basically here you learn how you can easily turn on Water Eject on your iPhone and the steps you need to take to install the Water Eject. So if I download this video, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first one to do is open the Safari browser on your iPhone. Then once you open it, come here and search for Water Eject. Shortcut. So search for Water Eject shortcut. Then click on the first result, which is shortcut gallery. So you can just say sign out, click on that. Now once you click on Water Eject, come down here and click on get shortcut. Tap that. Once you tap get shortcut, this is going to open the shortcut on your iPhone using the shortcut application. Then you should see loading instantly. You need to hang on for a couple of seconds for the Water Eject application to come up on the shortcut page or shortcut app on your iPhone. So this might take a couple of seconds. This depends on the strength of your internet connection. Then once you have it like this, then you should say Water Eject. Then here you can say Siri, Water Eject, and this is going to run the Water Eject on your iPhone. Then go ahead and click on Add Shortcut. Then add it. Now I have the Water Eject added to my iPhone shortcut. Then if you come to my iPhone home screen, you discover that the Eject shortcut is here to be installed on the home screen. Now go back to All Shortcuts, locate Water Eject and click on the three dots on it, which is the menu option. Then click on this drop menu. Now come here and click on Add to Home Screen. Then click on Add. Then you should see the Water Eject installed on your iPhone. Then go back to Shortcut and click on Done. There you go. Now when next your iPhone falls into the water or you discover that the speaker is full of water and you want to eject the water, just go ahead and click on the Water Eject shortcut you installed. Click on this. Then you should see this pop-up. On the pop-up, you should see Water Eject, Start, and Settings. If you click on Settings, this is going to take you to where to set up the Water Eject. Or better still, click on Start. Then you'll be prompted to select the intensity level of ejecting the water on your iPhone. Select 3. Then instantly you should feel vibrations on your iPhone, and this is going to eject the water from your iPhone speaker or whatever the speaker is on your iPhone. So that is basically how to install Water Eject on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.